Hi YouTubers! Once again I'm back to tell you about a product that could help you look younger. Now it's called Baby Quasar, and I'll put the link in my subscription box, but you can look it up. It's babyquasar.com. And basically, I don't know if you've seen these different red light therapy. Like if you look up red light therapy, it's a spa therapy. And basically what it is, it takes LED light and that penetrates your skin to at least about up to an inch. And it was actually developed for astronauts so that when they're up in space and they get injured or they have sore back, sore arm, something like that, you know, they get hurt, cut their skin, that the red light helps to heal it faster. And the way it does it is it rebuilds collagen. So then somebody had the fabulous idea of let's rebuild the collagen on our face. So, you know, when you get older, you get like these fine lines right around here. You have these, like I have these nasal labial fold, and this little one at the corner of your mouth that kind of makes your mouth look like it's going down. The one I hate the most is right here between my, I don't know what that's called. I don't like it though. It's the one I hate the most. I actually had 2 Botox treatments over the last 2 years. I loved it, but I mean the treatments are $400 a treatment, so we always want to try and find something else that we can do that's not a poison, because Botox actually is the botulism toxin, which is like food poisoning basically, and you're injecting it in your skin. It's obviously not fantastic for your body, but anyways, back to Quasar. Baby Quasar. Now it looks like this. It comes really simple with this cord that just plugs in right here. Plugs right in. I think my cord might not be fitting that well. I might have to write to the company and ask them about that, because it seems to not so much stay in that great. But I mean, so far it hasn't fallen out, but it just seems like sometimes it ends up looking like this, and then I have to push it back in. So I don't know if it's me pulling on it or if it's falling out on its own. I really don't know. But besides that, I've been using the product for 1 week, and I was a bit skeptical about it. And how it looks in the front is it has these little LED lights. There's yellow and there's yellow and there's red, and that's for rebuilding collagen and pigmentation. So it has a little cap, and everyone gets a little cap, and you can buy more of these caps if you're going to share it with family members. But I mean, you could just wash it too. So how it works is you put the light on. You can see it's a very bright red, and it's not hot. It does get a little bit warm, but I mean, like Christmas lights, it would just get a little bit warm if you held on to it. It beeps when it's finished after 3 minutes for each section. And what you do is you divide your face into 6 pieces. So this would be 1, this would be 2, this would be 3, this would be 4, 5, 6. You can do it on your neck, you can do it on your cleavage, you can do it on your breasts, on your stomach. It's really good for stretch marks. So far I'm having like a great result with that. It's not dangerous to your eyes, but it's really bright, so you still want to protect your eyes regardless. Now what you do is you just put it on your skin. Of course, wash your face first. If you're going to use a serum, use a serum like a hyaluronic acid or something like that. But you can just do it on regular dry skin. And you would do it for 3 minutes. You can do it on the back of your hand. And what it does, rebuild the collagen. So I've seen improvement right here. This isn't seeming so deep, and I could tell you my skin is just like, let's see my skin. I don't know if you can see. Pretty much, I have eye makeup on, but because I'm doing a demonstration, I don't have any foundation or any concealer. I have a blemish that's healing here, and I have one here that's healing. But beside that, I found that there was some firmness that came back in the sides of my face. Like, you know, when I pull it up, I'd like it to be like that, but not going to be. And here too, like I've always had a double chin. I think even when I was thinner I had a double chin. It just doesn't go away no matter what I do, so I'm going to just try to accept it now. But just to tighten up the skin here. But I found through my cheeks, my smoothness and my pore size has gone down like half at least, and it's only been a week. Now it comes with this adorable little case for if you're going to travel with it. And it comes with its documentation. It has a life warranty against manufacturer defects. That doesn't mean if you break it, it's replaced, but if it's manufacturer error, they'll replace it. The price. I'm in Canada. I had to buy American. So for me, it was, I got this one on special, so maybe you want to look at like that for different specials. Because this one's pink, it's for breast cancer, and so they gave $100 off. It was $2.99. Now, I didn't pay anything as far as at the border for customs. It was about $50 shipping, so it just depends where you are for the shipping. But normally it's $3.99. They have a bigger one, has a bigger head. It's not much difference of it. And they have blue light for if you have acne. Now I've been working on my skin for a long time to get really clear, really nice skin, and I think that this is one tool that I did want to invest in because I don't want Botox and I don't want plastic surgery, and I just like to stay fresh looking. So that's my review so far. You got to do it for 8 weeks, so I'll do other reviews as I go along so that you can see the difference of the progress. So that's about it, but I do find my skin is anywhere it was red, because usually I get redness right here. I get redness in my cheeks if it's hot, like sometimes just like little broken blood vessels. They all seem to have been gone. And I could tell you I've been doing it on my stomach for my stretch marks, and it is fantastic. They are just barely noticeable now. Maybe I'll post a video about that in the future too when I finish the 8 weeks. Alright guys, so please rate, subscribe, ask me any questions. If you want a product reviewed, let me know. I'll try and see if I can do it. And bless you all. Share my video if you can. And if you're not already a subscriber, then sign up. I would love to have you. Take care, guys. Stay beautiful.